Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of spinach, the superfood that's been around for ages. Get ready, because I'm about to share 5 shocking health benefits of spinach that will make you want to add it to every meal. So, let's face it. A lot of people have misconceptions about vegetables. Some think they're boring or that they don't pack enough nutrients to be worth their time. And guess what? Spinach often gets overlooked. People might think of it as just a side dish or something to put in a salad, but it's so much more than that. It's time to change that mindset. Spinach is not just a garnish, it's a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can do wonders for your health. But if you're not including it in your diet, you're missing out on some incredible benefits. Alright, let's jump into the 5 amazing health benefits of spinach. First up, it's a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and bone health. Pretty cool, right? Second, spinach is rich in antioxidants. These little warriors help combat free radicals in your body, which can lead to chronic diseases. So, munching on spinach can actually help you fight off those pesky health issues. Third, did you know that spinach can help improve your muscle strength? Thanks to its high nitrate content, it can boost your athletic performance. That's why Popeye was so strong. Now, the 4th benefit is that spinach is great for your heart. It helps lower blood pressure and supports overall cardiovascular health. Who doesn't want a happy heart? And finally, spinach is a great source of fiber. This helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full, making it a great addition to any diet, especially if you're looking to manage your weight. Now, here's the most surprising health benefit of spinach that you probably didn't know about. It may actually help your brain health. Yes, you heard that right. Spinach is packed with nutrients that can improve cognitive function and protect against age-related decline. Some studies even suggest that it might help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. So, if you want to keep your brain sharp and focused, adding spinach to your diet is a no-brainer. So, to recap, we've covered 5 incredible health benefits of spinach: rich in vitamins, loaded with antioxidants, boosts muscle strength, supports heart health, and promotes brain function. Adding spinach to your meals is a simple way to supercharge your health. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy spinach? Comment down below, and let's share some delicious ideas. And don't forget to check out my other videos on healthy eating to keep your wellness journey going.